Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve the connection to site is not secure Google Chrome error. So to fix this error, click on these three dots, then settings. Now here click on privacy and security. Scroll down, click on security and select this second option. Now here select Open DNS and refresh. Try to open that website. Still you are facing problem, so select Google Public DNS and refresh that website. Still you are facing problems, so now try this one with your current service provider and refresh. Another way, click in this URL and remove S from HTTPS and visit this site. So these are possible ways, guys. You can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.